Hey y'all, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Amy Darley, and today we are doing a little bit of everything. We started the morning off with a workout. I got a shower, got some cleaning done, met my husband for lunch, and then I did a little Walmart run. Y'all come hang out with me for a super productive day and also some cleaning motivation and a little shop with me. So I started the morning off with 4 miles of walking and jogging intervals. So of course I was in desperate need of some water and electrolytes after that. And lately I have been absolutely obsessed with the Ultima Replenisher electrolytes. A huge thank you to Ultima Replenisher for sponsoring this video. There are so many different flavors to choose from, and each box comes with 8 sticks in the box. I love all of the flavors, but today I'm using the blue raspberry, which is my absolute favorite flavor. I just fill my glass with ice and water, rip open the packet, pour in my electrolytes, and then shake it all up, and it's good to go. These packets have all 6 key electrolytes that your body needs. It has 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 carbs, and no artificial sweeteners. Adding the Ultima electrolytes to my water has become part of my daily routine now, and not just because I'm working out or on the days that I work out, but also because staying hydrated every single day genuinely makes me feel so much better. So good. This is my favorite flavor, but I'm telling y'all, try them all. So good, so refreshing. And Ultima Replenisher is actually available at Walmart now. Like I said, there are so many different flavor options to choose from. I'll be sure to leave a link in my description box as well as in the comments if you want to check them out. If you do try them, come back here and let me know what's your favorite flavor. All right, now that I've got my workout done, I've got some water back in me. I'm going to take a quick shower because I was actually trying to hurry up and get the house cleaned up today so that way I could go meet my husband for lunch. So I got a shower, got ready, and now we're going to start doing a little bit of cleaning. Also, I pretty much drank that whole glass of water while I was getting ready. But don't worry, I'll probably have at least 2 or 3 more glasses throughout the day because I can. There's 0 calories, 0 sugars. It's perfect. All right, let's open up the blinds, get some sunshine in, and make the bed. What are y'all doing? Y'all napping? Sweet girls. Oh, goodness. Y'all so sweet. Oh. Or mean. So if you're new around here, those are our 2 cats. We have had them for like 4 years now. We did have 3. We now only have 2. The other one, we're not really sure what happened to her, but she's no longer with us, and it's really sad because she was probably my favorite one out of the 3, which is crazy because if you know my story, then you know I always said we would never have cats. I am not a cat person, but somehow the kids talked us into getting 3 cats at once. My in-laws' cat had babies, so we ended up taking 3 of the babies home. And then we thought that they were all boys at first, and so we named them after Braves players, which that was back when Freddie Freeman was with the Braves, so we named them Freddie, Ozzie, and Riley. The ones that you just saw were Freddie and Ozzie, and those are the ones that we still have. And yes, they are a mess. All right, now that the bed is made, I'm going to get some laundry going for the day. We have towels today, so this is easy. I love towel day because it's the easiest to fold and put away at the end of the day. But I always do at least a load of laundry a day during the week. I don't typically do laundry on the weekends, but during the week we usually do at least 1 load, sometimes 2 a day. Okay, now I'm moving into the main living area of the house. This is what I do every single day. I head into the living room and the kitchen, and I will clean the kitchen first. For some reason, I like to start in the kitchen, and then I tidy up the living room next. So here in the kitchen, we've just got a few dishes that need to be thrown in the dishwasher, a few to be washed by hand, and I did want to clean out the sink really quick, and I actually ended up washing the sink out, and I forgot that I had dishes to wash. So I washed the sink first, then I washed the dishes, but it's okay. It all got cleaned, and then I wiped down the countertops and the breakfast area table. And I did not vacuum. I do have a robot vacuum, so luckily I didn't have to worry about any vacuuming or anything because it does it for me every day. Now, like I said, I was trying to get everything tidied up, cleaned up before I was heading out to meet my husband for a little lunch date. We were going to a local restaurant here called Papaya, and we were going to get sushi. So I'm going to take you guys along with me as I go do all of that. And then I was also going to Walmart. I have not been to Walmart in forever because I usually do grocery orders on Mondays, but I am looking for some outdoor decor. Really, I wanted to get a few planters, and so I was like, you know what? I haven't been into Walmart in forever, so let's go check out what's there. Let's see what kind of decor they have out, what clothes they have out for summer, and I figured I would take y'all to shop with me. So y'all stick around for later in the video. I'm going to take you guys to Walmart with me, and we're going to see what all is out. There was so much good stuff, so I can't wait for you to see it all. And then, of course, at the end, I will bring everything that I ended up purchasing back home, and I will give you guys a Walmart haul.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool, the kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free.
Okay, y'all, so I wanted to take a second and chat with you about some exciting things coming up to my channel this summer because I have so many fun videos planned and I can't wait to share them all with you. Now, most of y'all know I typically post on Mondays, but with the kids home for summer, things are going to look a little bit different around here. I may be posting on different days, just depending on whatever we have going on. And honestly, I am totally okay with that because it just means that I get to share more with y'all. And speaking of sharing more videos, I have always made longer videos. Usually they're between 30 to 45 minutes, and I love that format. But with the summer, I want to get my content out to you guys faster, which also means some of my videos may be a little bit shorter than what you're used to. So more videos, more fun, just maybe a little bit more bite-sized, and I think y'all are going to love it. So here's what I need from you guys. If you are subscribed, make sure that you have that bell notification turned on so that way you never miss when I post, no matter what day it goes up. And speaking of staying connected, make sure you're checking the community posts because YouTube has rolled out some really cool new features that let me connect with y'all even more, and I'm excited to use them. I also want to do some more giveaways during the summer so I can share those in videos, but also on the community tab. So like I said, get your notifications turned on so that way you don't miss any. Which this kind of has me thinking and a little bit curious, how long do you like your YouTube videos to be? Drop it in the comments because I would genuinely love to know. Maybe I can mix it up a little and give you exactly what you want. I also want to say from the bottom of my heart, I know that you guys are busy. You have a full life, full schedule, and the fact that you take time out of your day to put my videos on and hang out with me means so much. I love y'all, and I am so excited to continue sharing with y'all more videos over the summer. All right, so we have the kitchen cleaned up. I'm almost done tidying up the living room. I'm gonna spritz the couch with some linen spray, and then I'm gonna head out to go meet the hubby for lunch, and I'm gonna take y'all with me.
I am made to be free. thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how.
All right, so I am at Papaya. This is where we're eating for lunch. We had sushi. We always share spring rolls and sushi. It was a gorgeous day, so we ended up sitting outside, and it was great. So then I headed to Walmart, and like I said, I'm going to take y'all shopping with me. Let's go see what they have. First of all, I did have to go stock up on some more Ultima. I'm actually going to be giving some of this as a teacher gift, but then, like I said, I am using 1 to 2 to 3 sticks of these a day, and my family loves these too, so I just need some more because I know I'm going to go through these like crazy. And honestly, the price for these is really good too. All right, now we're going to go through the clothing section. I stopped in the like beach bag section and look at these clips. They had so many cute ones. And then this free assembly section, oh my goodness. All of this stuff was so cute. I could not believe it was all Walmart. Okay, so I kept walking through the clothing section, and as I was walking through, I was like, okay, I could wear this, or Gracie June could wear this. This was so cute, but I think that it would be a little bit too big, so I didn't get her those. But I wish that she could wear them. Boxers, and have y'all seen that boxers are like everyday looks now that you can wear to run errands? So many cute shorts. Look at all the summer bathing suits. These are all like the 4th of July ones. And then this is all in the 4th of July section. If I had a little boy, oh my goodness, I wish they would have had these out when Kason was little. All right, so I'm going around Walmart now and just looking at the rest of the 4th of July stuff. They had so much stuff out. I could not believe it. And then look at this section. This was the My Texas House decor line. I honestly should have gotten this. I'm kicking myself for not getting it. I might have to go back. But her stuff is so cute. Obviously, it's like all picked over, but they had so many cute things. And then this was like the Celebrate selection. And I just thought this was perfect if you're hosting for Memorial Day or 4th of July. And Walmart literally thought of everything you ever needed for a 4th of July party or outfit. They've got all the hats. These are so cute. Like I said, I can't believe they're from Walmart. All the floats and even party games. Okay, so also in this section was all the summer stuff. So lots of beach towels, which these are so nice. And then also these outdoor blankets. I already have a couple and they are so good. More floats, coolers. Look at the colors of these. I am obsessed with these coolers. And like I said, I'm going to give you a haul at the end, but I'm going to go ahead and fill you in. I did get one of those little coolers for my daughter's teacher. They had Father's Day stuff out, and I honestly probably should have grabbed some of this stuff for my husband, but we're not going there today. I'll have to look at that later. All right, and then I'm in like the regular home decor section. I feel like my Walmart never has this many good finds out, but look at this section. I mean, it goes on and on and on, and so many good things in here. Shelf decor items, throw pillows, and I just can't believe the prices on all of this stuff. It's amazing. Okay, we're going to get back on track for what I actually came for, which was a couple of planters. I needed a couple more planters for the front porch. So this was one section of planters, and this is like more of the smaller section. And then I did go outside into the actual garden section, and look at these planters. They are huge. I needed a couple little ones, so I didn't get any of these out here, but I'll show you the ones I did get. But these are so good, and the prices are just crazy. Now, when I came back in, we did go past the sunscreen aisle, and I went back to the clothing section. I don't know why I decided to do this, but these are my absolute favorite buttery soft shorts from Walmart. So I grabbed a couple pair, and then I saw some more cute stuff, and my cart just kept filling up. Honestly, I feel like I did pretty good. I probably could have ended up with a lot more in my cart, but I'll show you guys exactly what all I got when I get home. Just know I found some really cute stuff.
Knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free.
home, we're gonna do a little Walmart haul, and I'm gonna show you everything I picked up. Okay, let's start with the bigger outdoor items first. So I got 2 of these planters, so you can see how big they are. They're not huge, but these are gonna be perfect for the front porch. I already have 2 bigger planters on the front porch, so I wanted some that were a little bit smaller. And I'm getting ready to decorate all the red, white, and blue on my front porch. So I got some red, white, and blue flowers that are coming. So I'm gonna put those in here. And then I got this doormat. I can't have red, white, and blue flowers at the front door without the right colors to match. So I got this doormat. All right, moving on. Okay, now while I was in Walmart, I was thinking about teacher end of the year gifts too. And I thought this little cooler was so perfect for the pool or the beach. Just a little small cooler. And she could also use this for lunches next year to bring her lunch to school. So it doesn't even have to be just for summer, but it's so pretty. I love the stripes and the colors. They had several different color options. And then I am gonna put some other items inside of here. So a few of the things that I got, of course, we've got the Ultima Replenisher electrolytes. And then we've got some sunscreen. We've got spray sunscreen and face sunscreen. This cute little seashell hair clip. I thought this was so pretty. They had other summer hair clips too, but I thought this one was gonna look really cute with this. And then I still need to get a few other items on my list, but I'll put all of that together and I'll show y'all in another video what we come up with. Okay, next I got a few things for Gracie June. I had to get her these shorts. These are like a towel material. I thought these were so cute for summer. I got her the red, white, and blue stars sweatshirt that she can wear with it. And then I also got her a few of these little tank tops. So I got a plain white one, which she can also wear with the shorts. And then I also got her this cute yellow one with little blue flowers. I thought it was so pretty. So these are just little tank tops that she can wear during the summer. Then I got myself a few things. I did get the like boxer, these look like boxer shorts to me. But these are the celebrity pink, oh, they are boxer shorts. Celebrity pink boxer shorts. I love this color. The thing with these is you could wear these around the house. You can wear them to sleep in, but you can always wear these out too. I feel like people are wearing these as like just casual outfits. So like if you're running errands or whatever. But I thought this was so cute. Paired with like a white tank top would be really cute. And then I already have 3 different colors of these shorts, but they are so good. I wear them around the house all the time, and I actually sleep in these too. But these shorts, I got the gray, and then this one's like a charcoal gray. So 2 new pairs of shorts. These are the softest shorts you will ever put on. They are so buttery soft, and I love them. I pretty much need them in every color because I wear them so often. And then of course I did restock on some electrolytes for myself. So, all right y'all, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks for hanging out with me as I got all the things checked off of my to-do list for today. And y'all don't forget to go try these. Come back, let me know what you think of them. I think y'all are gonna love them. Y'all have an amazing week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
'Cause I was made